So do what you feel passionate about. Take chances. Don't be afraid to fail. There's an old IQ test, was 9 dots, and you had to draw 5 lines with a pencil within these 9 dots without lifting the pencil. The only way to do it was to go outside the box. Don't be afraid to think outside the box. Don't be afraid to fail big, to dream big. But remember, dreams without goals are just dreams.
Welcome back to Suez, people. Probably a little later, my coworkers are gonna join me, hopefully, and we can actually get a whole ass ride in and enjoy the beautiful day today. It's gonna be 50s pretty much for a while, so might as well take advantage of it. Feeling better, so I'm able to actually go out on a ride now. Still a little under the weather, but I want to go ride. I want to go have fun. Got finally a new clutch, so I'm actually able to ride this time. So hopefully with this new clutch, a lot of power will be different, and I will actually be able to feel the power it's making now. So you know what? Join me on this ride and have fun. Hey, how's it going? Good. Oh, you can't? I was told we have to.
By who?
By my buddies got me into them. You have to ride them on the street.
You have to ride them on the street, but if you ride it on the street and it's motorized, then you have to have a license.
Yep,
right?
yep.
Do you have your license on you real quick?
I actually don't. It's in my...
For my safety, are you carrying firearms? You don't.
No.
Okay. And then do you happen to have like proof of insurance or
Nope.
registration for it? Nothing like that?
This is smaller than a pit bike.
Okay. Gotcha.
It's kind of like a kid's bike.
Gotcha. Alrighty. So just do me a favor. I'm gonna run some stuff here. Does it have a VIN number or anything like that on it?
Nope.
Just it's all homemade.
Yeah, well, kinda. These started a long time ago. It's a, I want to say 80cc.
Okay. Alrighty, cool. Sit tight, stay on the bike. I'll be right back with you.
Cool. At least I got a good clickbait. It's not really by a year. There is no year for it. It's kind of like a go-kart. And honestly, you're the first one that told me that I can't ride on a sidewalk. They're telling me I need to do it to keep myself safe.
So when your friends are telling you that you have to drive it on the sidewalk, what they're probably referring to is Sioux City has a city code that covers PTVs. I think they're personal transport vehicles, right?
Okay.
The problem is that the way the code is written, those have to incorporate electric or human power in some way, right? Whereas
Okay.
this is just purely combustion.
Yep.
The other thing is that you said that this was 80cc.
Yep.
Those items have to be 50 or less.
Oh,
Less than 50,
okay,
right?
okay.
So I get where you're coming from. I'm not here to jam you up.
Okay.
But understand that since it doesn't qualify as that, technically it would be a motorcycle because technically per the city code it doesn't even qualify as a moped.
Okay.
So here's the deal. So driving a motor vehicle anywhere in the state of Iowa, whether it's on sidewalks, streets, whatever, you have to have insurance, all right?
Okay.
I get where you're coming from. I'm not here to jam you up. That's a warning for that because the state code says I either have to issue a written warning for that or I have to issue like a $430 citation.
Okay.
So that's a warning, okay? The other thing is that I can't warn you for everything. I do. Please appreciate that I do have a job to do.
Yep.
So this is a citation for operating a non-registered motor vehicle because over in, it would have been Chicago or Washington, somewhere over there, we're in the construction zone. You were on the city streets for about a block or so, okay?
Okay.
So here's the deal. This is the lesser of the two. Operating a non-registered motor vehicle, local ordinance circle here. You'll find a circle here down here, $135.50. Court date is 1/9/2023 at 1:30 p.m. circled there. At 620 Douglas Street, 102 circled there. You do not need to go to court on these. So it's right to do so if you wish to plead not guilty. If you wish to plead guilty, you can utilize this website, circle here, and pay your fine online, or you can detach the store portion between these two lines and send it with your payment to 620 Douglas Street 102 Circle there, okay?
Sounds good.
Does that make sense?
That
Is there anything else you want me to go over?
Nope.
Okay.
That makes perfectly sense.
All right, last thing you need from me is just your signature here in the box.
Yes, sir.
Not admission of guilt. I promise to take care of your fine and go to court.
Sounds good. And then after all this, I know it's kind of a weird question. I'm a YouTuber. Could I get a clickbait for the YouTube? Get like a picture?
Oh, I can't.
Okay.
I can't. The chief goes crazy about that.
Oh, he does? Okay.
So.
Dang, that sucks. That would have been a good video.
I appreciate you.
Yeah, no problem. Have a good afternoon.
Yeah,
Yep, I'm taking it home. Bitch, why the fuck would I take it home? Actually, I ended up taking it home, and also on the way home, lost my footage, so I ended up having to fucking walk it home because my carburetor ended up not working. Shake my fucking head. Dang, guys, fuck, just got pulled over on this thing first time. God damn, bro, what the fuck? Clickbait as fuck. What's up, guys? Made it back, and fuck, why the hell did I have to get fucking pulled over? Just my fucking luck, bro. Damn. Well, you know what? Fuck that, and fuck the cops. I should have not fucking got a fucking ticket. I was fucking crossing the fucking road when he said I was fucking on the road for a block. Fuck that bitch, bro. Fuck that bitch. Okay, actually, I lied. I was on the road. But I did not fucking see no cops, so that's the weird fucking thing. I did not see him. He was nowhere to be found. How the fuck did he know about that? I don't fucking know. But you already know what's up, dog. Catch you up on the next one. Stay golden. Keep 'em rolling.